Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, so let's get started. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is how I make my pork. This is the Zaycon pork, and I'll leave the link below so you can check out the Zaycon in your area. It'll be in the description box below. So let's get started. So in my crock pot, I'll put in one 32-ounce container of vegetable broth. I'll place it in my crock pot. This pork is really nice and tender. And it's the Zaycon pork. So now I'll put my crock pot off to the side. On my cutting board I have 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. I'll place that in my crock pot. I have 2 white onions. I'll just chop them up and place them in as well. So in they go. Now for my pork, this is the Zaycon pork. So now I'll take it out of the package. Place it on my cutting board. I'll take some salt, pepper, I'll turn it over, salt and pepper that side, and then place it in my crock pot. I'll put my crock pot on high. Place my lid on. Now that my pork is in the crock pot, I have it on high, and I'll cook it until it's fully cooked. It'll probably be about 4 hours, so I'll check it. And then I'll serve it with some potatoes and vegetables. So along with my pork, I was going to make mashed potatoes, but instead I'm going to make yams. So in this can, it is a 40-ounce can. I drained the yams, put them in my dish. I have my oven on 350. Now for my yams, I'll place 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, maybe 1 more, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. That looks good. I'll place a tablespoon of butter right in the middle. Now I have a little over a cup of mini marshmallows that I'll just place on top. That looks good. Now I'll place some aluminum foil on top. So now that I have the aluminum foil on top, I'll place this in my 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes, and that the yams are fully cooked and nice and warm. So into the oven they go. Now I'll check on my pork. Oh yeah, boy does that smell good. Put the lid back on. I'll go check on my yams. Ooh, marshmallows melting good. Can't wait. Now I'll take my yams out of the oven. I could smell them, they smell good. All the marshmallow melted in on top. Look at that, wow. You know what, I'm just gonna take a little bite. See how nice and thick that is with the marshmallows melting in it? This is gonna be some sweet yams. So now I'll give it a try. Wow, is that sweet? That is really, really good. I'll place the aluminum foil back on top because I'm taking the yams and the pork to the neighbor. So I'll pack this all up. I'll check on my pork. Ooh, that looks really, really good. It smells good. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryls Home Cooking and watch me make my pork. And this is the Zaycon pork. I'll leave the link below in the description box. And just check out the Zaycon in your area because this pork is really good. And cooking it in this crock pot, it's so nice and tender. So I'll be taking the pork and the yams over to the neighbors and we'll be having dinner at the neighbor's house. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.